So today we're going to be making a rose syrup Dalgona iced drink, and it has the famous ingredient Rooh Afza. So what you will need is Rooh Afza, of course, double cream, some basil seeds, milk of your choice, and ice. So first of all, what you want to do is hydrate your basil seeds, and you can do this with a cup of water. You want to make sure that you stir it well and make sure it's all wet so it can double in size. So when it does do that, after about 10 minutes of setting, this is what it should look like. I think they look like tadpoles, to be honest with you. But anyway, you're going to put it into a strainer and take out all of the water and put it to a side. While that sits, you want to put your milk into a cup with some ice. You can choose any milk of your choice. And then you want to add the seeds inside. So I've made enough for 2 cups, which is 1 tablespoon. To make the topping, you want to put 100 ml of double cream and 1 teaspoon of Rooh Afza. You want to whisk this until it's into a thick consistency. So if it's still liquidy, you want to keep going because this is what it should look like. You want to give that a good mix until it looks like this sort of consistency. And then we can proceed in putting it on top of our milk. Usually about 3 scoops is enough, but you can put as little or as much as you like. And also you can adjust the Rooh Afza to as much or as little concentrate as you want. So Rooh Afza is a rose syrup, that's all it is, for those who don't know. You want to give it a swirl just to make it look presentable. And to garnish it, I'm using pistachio and almonds crushed. And then what I'm going to do is top it off with some dried rose petals to give it that finished look. I love to have my cold drinks with a straw, so I'm going to add that, and I'm going to add a dash of rose syrup on top. And that's it. So you want to give it a good mix before you drink it, because otherwise all this concentrate will be at the top and you'll be drinking milk. And that's simply it. It pretty much looks like a faluda, which you could probably do on the top of as well. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you let me know if you try it.